Welcome aboard this beautiful 2003 Catalina 350, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2003 Catalina 350 is a modern cruiser built by Catalina Yachts and quickly earned a reputation for its spacious interior, solid construction, and easy handling, perfect for coastal cruising or an occasional offshore adventure. The Catalina 350 wide beam carries well forward, giving her a distinctive, powerful profile and exceptional interior volume. Built with a fiberglass hull and a well-balanced sail plan, she's stable, responsive, and forgiving under sail. Let's step aboard and walk up the wide, uncluttered side decks. Forward, you'll find a spacious bow with easy access to the anchor locker and vertical windlass, ideal for single-handed anchoring or quick deployment. Looking aft, you'll notice the in-mast furling system, making reefing and sail handling a breeze. The rigging includes upgraded Garhauer blocks and Traveler, enhancing performance and durability. The cockpit is generous with comfortable seating, cockpit cushions, and a stern davit system for your dinghy. This cockpit is safe, comfortable, and secure both underway and at anchor. At the helm, you'll find a chart plotter, autopilot, and marine instruments, all within easy reach. The excellent forward visibility and lines that lead aft to the cockpit make this boat ideal for short-handed sailing. Below deck, the Catalina 350 surprises with its spacious salon. There's plenty of natural light and ventilation with numerous hatches and ports. The settee and folding table offer a welcoming space to relax and dine. The nav station provides a dedicated area for charts, electronics, and communications. The galley is well equipped with ample counter space, a deep sink, stove and oven, and a refrigerator-freezer combo. Whether you're provisioning for a weekend or a longer cruise, this galley has you covered. Forward, the V-berth features a sizable bed and plenty of storage. It's a comfortable retreat with good ventilation and natural light. The head is accessible from the V-berth and the salon and includes a marine toilet, sink, and a walk-in shower, a rare luxury on a boat of this size. Aft, the owner's cabin boasts a large berth and ample storage. It's private, quiet, and perfect for extended stays aboard. Engine access is under the companionway steps. The universal diesel engine is clean and well maintained, ready to power your next adventure. This 2003 Catalina 350 blends comfort, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or new to cruising, she's ready to take you wherever the wind blows. To book your appointment to view this 2003 Catalina 350, contact Little Yacht Sales.